Hey, what up guys? It's a brand new week. So now let's talk about this. Imagine looking at a Forex chart and instead of confusion, you instantly see the story of the market. You know when buyers are getting weak, you know when sellers are about to lose control. Most importantly, you know when to enter a trade with confidence. That is the power of candlestick patterns. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to read and understand and actually use candlestick patterns to make a better trading decision. Listen, no complicated theory, no guessing, just clear practical knowledge you can apply immediately, right? And for that being said, let's jump right into it. If you want one-on-one mentorship, the link is at the description. Join my Telegram community and we are coming right there. And not just that, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, drop comment below if you find value in the video. Now for that means let's jump right into it. What are candlestick patterns? Candlestick patterns are simple visual representation of price movement on a chart. You can see right here, and each candlestick tells you 4 stories. Now we have the open price, right? We have close price, we have highest price, and we also have the lowest price. Think of it like a battle between the buyers and the sellers, which is the bulls and the bears, right? So it's just as simple as that. Now let me break it down so you can understand what we are possibly doing here. Now if buyers win, candle closes bullish, which is the green candle, and if sellers win, candle closes bearish, which is the red candle, depending on the color you choose to put them. I'm understood, but here is where it gets powerful. Candlestick patterns are not just candles. I'm understood. They are signals of market psychology, and that is fear, greed, indecision, momentum shifts, and that's exactly what you want. And that takes us to number 2, the structure of a candlestick. Now before patterns, you must understand the anatomy. As you can see right here, each candle has body, right? And this body is the difference between open and close. Now we also have the wick. As you can see, this line up here is called wick. We have the high wicks and we have the low wicks, right? Now long body, that is strong momentum, and long wick, that is rejection, and small body means indecision. Now this alone gives you an edge. With this simple example that I just show you right here, you can get into any market right now and start making some color of money. Now let's go to number 3, the most powerful candlestick patterns. This is what you actually need. Now let's break it down into 3 categories. Number 1 category is the reversal pattern, pin bar. So a lot of people call it hammer, some people call it a shooting star. This one of the most important patterns in trading. Am I understood? So it's very important you know this. And this is how it looks. It has a small body. As you can see, the small body right here, and it has a long wick. Small body, long wick. So it could be it could form on sells, on buy. That means price tried to go one direction and got rejected so hard. Am I understood? It's just as simple as that. And this is the example of the pin bar. As you can see, it has long wicks on buy, that means buyer stepping in, bullish signal. Long wick on sell, that means sell stepping in, that is bearish signal. Am I understood? It's just as simple as that. And how to trade it. Anytime you see any pattern like this, now enter after confirmation. Don't enter when the market is not confirmed. And what you're going to do is to place your stop loss beyond the week. Our B is engulfing candle. A lot of people have been hearing about engulfing candle. What is engulfing candle? So a lot of people don't even know what engulfing candle is, but let me break it down. So this is how engulfing candle look like. A big candle which is fully covered the previous candle. I'm understood. And there are types of engulfing candle. Definitely you know that we are dealing with buy and sell. So we have bullish engulfing candle, which is buyers take control, and we have bearish engulfing candle, that means seller take control. This is a strong signal of a momentum shift for a lot of people that don't know. Category number 2 is indecision pattern. Now we have doji candle, and this is how it looks like. As you can see, open and close are almost the same, meaning buyers and sellers are equal. Am I understood? So market is confused, right? So you just have to pay very close attention. At this time, do not trade immediately. You just wait for another candlestick to open before you trade, and wait for confirmation before you get into any trade. And I will always be telling you guys this. Now, these patterns often comes before big moves. So category number 3, we will be talking about continual patterns. All right, continual pattern, which is the inside bar. And let me show you guys how it looks like. A smaller candle inside a big one. I'm understood, meaning market is consolidating, preparing for market break. Just have it at the back of your mind. All right, number 4, the biggest mistake the traders make. Now, here is where most beginners fail, right? They see candlestick patterns and jump into a trade immediately. Now, that is wrong. Candlestick patterns do not work alone. If you use them alone, you will definitely lose money. So they don't work alone. Now, that takes us to number 5, how to use candlestick patterns the right way. Now, let's talk about the real strategy. And step number 1, we will be talking about identifying market trend. As you can see, uptrend, look for buy signals. I'm understood. Downtrend, look for a sell signal. I'm understood. Never trade against the trend blindly. All right. That's why we always tell you guys to always analyze your chart from higher time frame before you get into any market. Now, step number 2, use support and resistance. This is really one of the easiest way to trade, right? This is where the magic happens. Candlestick patterns is powerful only when at support levels or resistance level. For example, bullish engulfing at support, that signals, right, a strong buy, and bearish pin bar at resistance, strong signal for sell. I'm understood. Now let's talk about this. Number 3, wait for confirmation. Don't trade without confirmation. Don't rush. Just wait for break of structure and strong follow-up candle, right? This increases your accuracy massively, so you just have to wait for that. And number 4, step number 4, manage risk, right? Always use stop loss. Only risk, right, 1 to 2%. So be careful, because no pattern is 100% accurate. Another one is to always go through the news. It's very important. And for a beginner that is not sure yet, please just practice on demo for some time before you get into the live markets. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button, because doing that, some people might come across the video and that will eventually change their lives. So what we do here, we support ourselves. So smash the like button, drop comment below. If you want one-on-one mentorship, the link is at the description. And not just that, join my Telegram community, the link is also at the description. So see you guys in the next phase of life. Peace.